What's good? What's good? It's Ray, and it is Wednesday, August 7th at 10 a.m. Pacific. So lunchtime is over. It's 1 p.m. Eastern. Let's look at the market action following the same process I do every single day. What I notice here is that the VIX dropped. And if you don't remember what the VIX is, watch the video I made on VIX. So the fear dropped and now it's picking back up. So that's what I noticed here. Just looking at the Dow and the S&P, they're up 0.5%. The VIX is still down though. Start a new list, copy it in. Chart glance it right quick. Airbnb is falling off a cliff. Holy crap, 150 to 110. I mean, I gotta see what's going on there. Autodesk seems interesting. Looks like it had from a moving average perspective, we're at a very critical spot, so I'd keep an eye on it. ANET still kind of looks like it's in a downtrend, but I keep an eye on this. This one was a winner before. So if the market recovers, I'd keep an eye on it. ASML Semiconductors below the 200-day moving average. We'll just watch it. Axon is up. Huge. Almost 20%. Holy crap. We'll look into that. Chubb's been choppy, It's been choppy. A lot of volatility around here. Bulls came in and then just sold off. So the trend's down. First Solar still figuring it out. Fortinet is up pretty good after. So there might be a future trading opportunity in FTNT because, well, we popped. There's a huge gap here, and if we can see moving averages kind of curl up and price retrace and hold, then that might be a buying opportunity. GE tried to sell off. I mean, I think GE was a winner. If you look at just this 50-day moving average, it's been rising and then kind of consolidating now. And if things, it's a strong stock to keep an eye on. No clue what this company does. Don't know what this company does. Super volatile. GEV. GPN, just a declining 50-day. We don't trust this pop. I mean, it could work out. H-band, just no clue. This was on our list a few weeks back. I still don't like that it's in the range, right? It's like under 100 and above 94 is demand. I mean, ILMN kind of, it's constructive, right? Like, yeah, I don't know. I'll stay away. Juniper had earnings back here and just been running ever since, right? It's been a winner. Options chain's not that good for options. Moody's one that you might want to look at. MCO as a potential long opportunity. We break out some more. What else? Newmont. Newmont's just been in a huge range. Nike's trying to bottom here, but I don't believe Nike. Look, we're so far from the 250-day, and they're sloping down. Like Nike's in for it in the long haul, going down. All right, so ever since this gap up, in Lockheed Martin and all the defense sector stocks have entered a new bullish sentiment with war as kind of the backdrop. Just the sector is getting the bump. Okay, this one just doesn't look good. Like you want to capture it from June to July and avoid from July to August, right? So watch that video on the trends that I made because that's super important. All right. TRGP looks decent. I mean, look, you've been in an uptrend. Pretty solid buying. There's a dip. Monday's crash came in and people are snapping it back up. So this is one to keep on your watch list. No clue what they do. Uber fell off a cliff on Monday and rallied over 10 points, up 5% today. I mean, this might be a dip buy right here. You know, people. The way I'm thinking about this is you got a rising 200 day and a 50-day that's above the 200-day, and then this just violent sell off right here on Monday, and then leading the way today and this week. Uber might be the new kind of stock to keep an eye on. All right, Weight Watcher. I mean, overall good. My commentary is there's just too many period of like sideways consolidation. You know, you got 3 days of good up movement on the 50-day, maybe right here, and then you got a big bump here, and it's, you just gotta be careful with this one, right? There's gonna be a lot of sideways consolidation and also big ranges. So if you catch the right one, good. But if you don't, you're fucked. All right. All right. So next step, what we do is we create a new watch list. Whoops. All right. I mean, just looking at the S&P 500, we gapped up, try to hit a new intraday high, and we are now at the low of the day. So I mean, like, let's just recap on Monday. Well, on Thursday we had the sell signal, and on Wednesday we had the fake buyout signal. Then we had a sell signal on Thursday. If you went short at the close, you would have made money on Friday. If you held it on Friday, you would have made money on Monday. And then yesterday was a relief rally. Today was a euphoric gap up, followed by increased selling. Like sellers are still out there. Sellers are still out there. I guess these are the opportunities for today. Let's just look at it from this view. I mean, Airbnb is like in bear market territory right now. You got a declining 20-day. You're below both of the red and yellow levels, which is not good at all. So, I gotta look at to see why they're down so much. All right, Airbnb. This is some company I don't know, but this is a good short opportunity. If you wanted to take a short idea, I'd take it on this one. But then I don't, I don't like these big ass gaps though. Still, I'd go short. It could have topped. It could have topped. I mean, a lot of these are just selling off. We're still in a. I'd keep an eye on IFF if it ever becomes leader again. Broadcom, reasonable prices now, except you got the MACD over here and bearish sells. Like, you just stay away. I guess we're just looking at sell opportunities today, right? Because I mean, Newmont's up. Marathon Petroleum Corporation could be a new short idea right here, man. We're at this red level. Look, they're either going to blast off to here, or you're going to drop off to yellow. It's one or the other. The longer term trend has been up, but it's been broken. So now we've been in a new downtrend, looking to kind of consolidate. What I'll do here usually is move it into a weekly look. Got a weekly MACD sell right here. Like, I would probably go short on this. When's earnings? Earnings happened already. Uh, I mean, I got a not clear, so it's not really clear is it short or long. I mean, how's energy sector doing in general? I mean, can't even tell. It's finding a bounce. All right, maybe if energy goes below this red line, then I'll short energy. But until then, I'll just watch it. Huntington, don't know what they do. What is this? Tools and hardware. Very volatile stock. Very volatile stock. I'm wondering if we bottomed here though. I'm wondering if this was a potential bottoming for the company. I guess we'll just look at this clear and then play indicator and go along with the Arista. Uh-oh. It's not good. Not good if this one continues to sell off. We've been in this uptrend since April. And of course, we've got the July top. You got a dead cat bounce, found sellers up here. And now they have I mean, this is just exactly what the S&P looks like, right? Gapped up, moved higher, now at the lows of the day. You know, if anything, this just tells me we're still in a choppy market. The fact that we gapped up, hit a new high, and then coming back into the mean reversion range. Go watch my trending video and mean reversion video to understand like what I mean by this. Oh shit. A lot of chops. You know, hands off. Hands off. GPT, do not make any crazy trades today or play the mean reversion shit. Cause so tomorrow we either gonna continue lower and this selling pressure continues, and this was just another dead cat bounce, very similar to last week. So you got two excessive bull thrust, followed by a bear shakeout, followed by another dead cat bounce potentially. Look, if I'm going to enter into a position, I'm going to enter into this one and Lockheed Martin, right? Like these ones, I'm going in. I'm going in. Like I might just get along today on knock or something. Like those are the plays. Actually, this was the entry play, and this was the entry play. So anything that's like a different color are potential entry plays, right? And you know, we had earnings over here, and then even after earnings, you could have bought, and even after the day after earnings, you could have bought at the close, right? You could have bought here and you would still make money. So, like, how do we identify these and then have the ability to buy them? That's it. That is it. First Solar still going down. I might take a short on this actually. Why would I take a short on it? Well, we've already been in a downtrend in this moving average kind of yellow thing right here. Today we've got we've got a short signal since this day on the July 30th. I mean, this is the look. It is volatile. If you get it right, you're going to make a lot of money, and if you get it wrong, you're going to lose a lot of money. I'm just going to say, hey, look, we're in a downtrending type of thing, moving average. Earnings already happened. Earnings happened, and actually, that was where the sell signal was. So yeah, maybe we look at $200 puts on First Solar. I mean, look how Solar doing. Solar's already been in a bear market, right? We've been in a bear market and solar back, I would say technically around here. So last June, we've been in below this red bear market indicator, and then when we enter even crazier bear market territory, and now we're either going to bottom or continue to drop. And on the weekly, there's still more levels to drop. So I think $38 here minimum. And for solar, I forgot what the other one was called, but whatever. All right, we've looked at this a few times already. Nike's until we get out of this range, I don't even want to be in anything, dude. I ain't gonna lie about that. All right, Moody's. Moody's that one that you want to keep for the future, you know? AIZ, you want to keep AIZ for the future. It looks like we're in a huge range, but you know, we're at least on the good side of things. Oh, she's not even Weight Watcher anymore. It's Willis Towers Watson now. What the fuck? All right. Okay, this one right here. Yeah, this one right here is interesting because steep sell off into bear market territory shook people out, immediately recovered, consolidated, immediately recovered. You know, now we're going to try to attack the highs. The high was back. Where was the high back? It was back on. Oh, shit, dude. I don't know how. What is this? A gas distributor? I don't know how this trades. I'm just looking at the price action, right? We kind of Uber. Ooh, Uber is the one that. Oh shit, was that even the right one? Earnings are behind it. Shit, man, I don't know what they do. Gas distribution. Oh, maybe this is a trade. Uber might be a trade. Is Uber's earnings are yesterday? Yeah, I maybe play Uber, bro. Like I'll just play Uber on this resistance block. You got a signal after earnings. Moving averages look like it's coming up. Let's see if we post. That's the only thing I don't like, that we're still below this, but I don't know. Maybe we gap up tomorrow. Aches on. Yeah, this is huge. This is huge because it broke out of a freaking range, the entire year range, right? So pretty much in the beginning of the year, in January, we had this like, all right, we're gonna make something out of you, right? And then they had earnings, which was good, and then they just traded sideways through 1, 2 earnings, and then here's a pop. So, oh yeah, aerospace and defense. So aerospace and defense is up today. It's probably gonna keep going up. Fortinet. Oh shit, bro. Shit, this might be one where I buy it though. I ain't gonna lie. Like we were on these levels, consolidating, right? Indecision, and then we kind of like the weekend sold into earnings, and then now we've got an epic 26% squeeze, attacking kind of old highs back here. So if I had to put this here, yeah, man. I mean, FTNT might be the play. We'll see. I'm gonna hit the gym. I'll come back around 12:30, see how the charts look, maybe make a play or two. All right, until the next one. Peace.